We're going to be starting a Nerf gun game.
Yeah, it is.
With our Nerf
I
guns.
forget what we paid last
I'm a cowboy
time
dude.
for tickets.
See? Add. Now watch us play. Ready, set, go! I got you twice, you got me once. Got you again. Yeah, I got you. I only need to get you 2 more times, bro. Reloading. Oh, it just skimmed.
I love it.
Yeah.
$211 a ticket.
211 for what?
For a round trip ticket from here to Big Island.
You know what you should do? We should put on the Hopper app or... Wait, I thought... Wasn't it after the 12th? After June 12th? Isn't the other airlines going to start? That might make it a little lower.
But they're not flying from Lanai. I don't think that's going to be one of the trips. So
Yeah, they
because
are.
it's
That was in the Lanai Times. Look in
From
the paper. There was...
Lanai to,
well, yeah, it was in our newspaper.
yeah, I know what you're talking about. I
Yeah.
think that's from here to Oahu.
Oh.
Ready, set, go! Oh, no face shots? I think you're dead though. I've hit you 5 times.
Yeah, Aiden, how come you guys don't have glasses?
I got
Yeah,
glasses, guys.
Because if that hits you in the eyeball, it'll...
I'll go look for another one.
Okay,
restart.
Yeah, there's some shades in there. Aiden, help him find them.
We were starting, okay?
Need a light on in there, huh?
Don't worry. We're starting again. You have a scope, Aiden.
Was it this paper or was it the one before?
It was the one before, I think.
Yeah.
But here, ukulele.
Ready?
Wait.
Set. Go.
No. No, it's Kahului to Lanai.
Yeah.
Ugh,
Yeah, so it's like, that's why
that doesn't help at all.
service begins June 17th, 9 Halloween,
Yeah, it's just Kahului.
I mean, that's like,
Yeah, right?
$59. Okay, well, you know what?
Let's look to see what Big Island is from Kahului to Big Island.
But the thing is, I would take this trip if I'm going to the mainland. Yeah, I would, instead of taking the boat,
Right, right.
that's way outweighs,
Yeah.
you don't have to
Right.
worry about,
Car.
get everything
boat,
checked straight through.
Yeah, right? Okay, that's a helper.
Yeah.
But,
No, you didn't. No, you did not.
Yeah.
but,
Bingo.
B-I-N-G-O.
So there looks like there's some routes here to the Big Island. Oh, the segment one-stop connections to from Lanai.
Okay, Aiden's got one more shot. He's got one more shot till I kill him. Go ahead.
So, in other words,
There it is.
you could go.
Aren't they cute? Cute, right?
So maybe I just make the I use this thing and coordinate my flight
Okay, so guys,
from Maui.
so far
Yeah, that's
I have one. He pretty much like died,
Listen.
got killed out there.
Okay, so 211 is there.
So since I won, I get to destroy them. I want to load this thing. Shoot. Pistol round. Pistol round. What's that?
And then
What's this? What's this? That's not a pistol. That's a rifle. This is not a rifle. What do you mean this is a rifle? Ready, set, go! Hey, no, you already loaded. What the? I have one bullet. Okay. Wait.
I
So
mean,
far,
another fight would have to
pistol
be
round?
140 to make it worth it.
I only have one bullet too,
One
just so you
way
know.
though.
What?
Stop it.
It's a one-way
The
flight.
$59 is round trip.
Bro,
I thought.
Okay, so-
one.
so far, it's pistol round. 5 shots. He's probably gonna lose again. I got a better gun than him. Again. Okay, let's go. Boom. Chakalaka. Okay, you start over there. Ready, set, go!
Yeah, it doesn't say. That's so funny. One star service.
Daddy, there's flowers on the table already. What was that?
You guys, make sure you guys don't get me in the crossfire here. Okay, make sure you don't knock something.
Okay, it's 1-0. I'm winning. I shot you in the foot. It's 1-0 then. Gotcha! No, I shot the bullet and it hit yours. Yeah, right. Still 1-0. What the? How did I miss that? Yeah. He's got the overhead.
Hey, Aiden.
What?
Aiden, maybe we're gonna have to figure out something. That's more of an outdoor activity. And
Daddy.
something.
Oh, just a couple more minutes,
Stop
Daddy.
talking more on the video. Daddy, there's flowers on the thing. Do I'm trying to hear me here.
$180.
What did you do? I heard it from I won.
$180 from Lanai to Big Island. What?
Ready,
Maui.
set, go.
Really?
It's that week. It's
240. So it's 240 round trip.
1-1.
What was the other one? What was Lanai to Big Island?
I'm sorry. What?
What was Lanai to Big Island?
207.
Oh, then it's cheaper to do that.
That was a kid. I got you that one.
No, you didn't.
Okay, it's 1-2. What was that? Girls, dude. Yeah! Yeah! Gotcha, I got
It's
you.
gonna break soon.
It's 3-1. Did I get you? I got you.
Okay, Aiden, 2 more minutes. 2-minute warning, boom.
Gotcha. 2-3.
Did you hear, Mom? 2 minutes, boom. Then we're gonna take a break.
Gotcha. That was a kid. Oh, that wasn't. Got you. The gun. I won second round again.
He won.
We gotta go now.
That's terrible.
Okay, Aiden, time to take a break.
Okay, bye, guys.
Time to